Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Mac is updated and supports virtualization. Install macOS updates first. Once done, download the Windows 11 ARM ISO and confirm file integrity, then place it in /downloads. You also need storage. Make sure you have at least 64 GB free on the drive you'll use, or attach a fast external SSD. These steps remove common roadblocks and let you begin creating a Bootcamp Assistant environment right away, so the next step installs the OS image. You'll now build the bootable installer, or VM, using Apple Configurator 2 or a trusted tool that supports ARM Windows images. Once the ISO is attached, restore it to your external SSD or create a virtual disk formatted apps or exFAT as needed. Make sure to include the latest Windows drivers and UEFI files for M1 Mac compatibility. Without them, hardware like networking and GPU acceleration may not work. After that, validate the boot medium boots in recovery or virtual environment before proceeding. You go ahead and boot the Mac into the boot picker, choose the external installer or VM, and run the Windows setup. During installation, create or select the appropriate partition, then complete Windows initial configuration and install the vendor drivers. Once booted, you should verify networking, display acceleration, and peripherals. If something fails, use your recovery snapshot or backup to restore, then reapply updated drivers or recreate the installer. That one troubleshooting step resolves most installation problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.